something that everyone wants to do is upload pictures to their blog, to their site. And I know my dad is going through a lot of trouble, so I'm gonna make it very simple to understand. Unfortunately, most pictures that you take with a camera, they're too big to upload and they won't fit, which means you'll have to resize them. And WordPress can resize your pictures for you if you set the right settings, but it still be a big file if you try to upload it. So you want to make it faster, resize your picture before you upload it. And you're like, what size? Well, you gotta do a little bit of measuring here. So if we go to our site here, we can see that this is how wide the it could fit. And in Mac, well, there's a trick. If you press Shift Command 4, you can actually do a screen capture, and you can measure how wide is that more or less. So it seems it's about 600 pixels. So I know a 600 pixel picture will fit properly. And I can do that. So if I want to upload this picture, for example, let's see how wide is that. 640. So I know that picture, right? This picture, if I open it, it's gonna be a little bit too big. So what I could do is resize it. I mean, usually pictures are several megabytes big, right? But what I can do, if it was very big, I just go. You can use Photoshop or any other photo editing software. In Macintosh, you can use Preview, which comes with OS 10 already. You just go adjust size, and I can go 600, okay, and then I can go save it, and I can just instead of overwrite it, I can just write 600 there. Just make sure it's saved as a JPEG. If you can see, JPEG is about 95 kilobytes. Sometimes a PNG is smaller, but you can see it's a lot bigger right there. So JPEG tends to be the best bet. You can optimize PNGs as well, but the fastest way is just choose JPEG, and if you change the quality, it can become smaller. You want to make it small as possible so your web page loads faster, right? So click save, and we have a 600 pixel version, and we can upload it onto our WordPress. So we just go to that post, my first post, and let's say I want to insert a picture right here. Bada bing bam boom. So put your cursor there, click this little icon. Believe it or not, that's the icon that means add an image, and you can add an image. Now if you had some images before, you can go to your media library and select it from there, but this is probably what you're gonna do most of the time. Go to your desktop where it was. If it's the 600 pixel version, open, it will be uploaded automatically. By the way, you can upload several pictures at the same time, and then you can install it. Now it's important to choose what alignment do you want: none, left, center, right. If the picture width is smaller than the column, then you want to put it on the center. This is up to you. I always usually select center. I'm going to select full size, which is 600. You can see there's already, WordPress has created some sizes here. Well, these sizes, you can actually define them on settings. And that's what I've done on my Grow Media site that I can show you later. So I don't have to, so I always have the settings that I usually use ready to be used. You can add a caption. Now remember that many times if you add a caption, that's going to add a little bit of width to your picture. So it takes more measurement, and the description and the title. This most people don't care about this, but it's important to add, for example, alternate text. This means that if the picture for any reason could not load, that's what it will show, that text. It also helps search engines to find those pictures better. So if you're trying to sell something like, let's say, an iPad or something, make sure that you call that an iPad, not a DGP 12345, but that doesn't mean anything to search engines, right? And give it a description as well. As much information that is relevant to that image as you give, that you can, the better to be ranked, to be searched and indexed by search engines so people can find you, right? So don't be lazy. Make sure you put, give nice description to your pictures. Then just click insert, and the picture will be on your post. You can see it's it depends on your template, but it's added a little bit of a border there. So we'll see how that looks like. Let's see. Let's go update. and then we can go refresh this page to see how the picture looks like and see if it actually fits or not. Okay, not there. Maybe I should go here. I think I updated it. Let's see preview changes. And there it is. It seems to fit perfectly. That's a good job, Miguel. Woo! So there you go. That's how you upload a picture and insert it in your post. Thanks for watching.